Now know more about why authorities say an 81-year-old mid-Missouri man is accused of shooting his wife. Good evening. I'm Daniel Wynn.
And I'm Jillian Furtick. Vernon Head is charged with first-degree murder. He remains in the Randolph County Jail tonight after he was arraigned in court today. ABC 17's Dan Messinio talked to Randolph County prosecutors. He's been looking through the court documents as well. Dan, it's been brought up that Vernon Head might have a diminished mental capacity.
It has, Jillian. Neighbors have told us that Vernon Head could suffer from dementia. When I talked to the Randolph County prosecutor, Mike Fusselman, today, he says the issue has been raised and says the question is, if Vernon Head killed his wife, does any brain condition he might have affect his ability to recognize the gravity of the crime? Now, I've also been looking through court documents, and they show on Saturday, Head walked into a bank and told the teller that his wife had been shot in the head. Authorities found Head's wife, Vicky, dead in their house with multiple gunshot wounds. Authorities noticed a blood stain on Vernon Head's shirt and found a gun in his car with blood on it, and were also able to determine that multiple rounds had been fired. Fusselman tells me investigators are looking into the issue of dementia. He says the disease could impact a defendant in a few ways.
As the case is progressing on, a person might deteriorate to a point where they cannot participate in their case any further. And if it's organic, they may not have the ability to recover and assist in their defense.
Fusselman also tells me disease such as dementia could impact the charges against a defendant. I'm told law enforcement still has a lot of work ahead of them on this case. Fusselman is expecting preliminary reports in the next couple weeks.
Thanks, Dan. The Randolph County Sheriff's Department tells us doctors completed an autopsy on VICKYE Head and are waiting for those results.